A congested kitten struggles to breathe, eat, and stay comfortable, which can worry any caring pet owner. Nasal blockage causes discomfort and can affect a kitten's appetite and energy. Fortunately, there are some safe and simple ways to clear their nasal passages at home and help them feel better quickly. One of the simplest and most effective ways to relieve nasal congestion in kittens is by using gentle steam therapy. Place the kitten in a cat carrier lined with a soft towel, making sure to leave a small opening for proper ventilation. Pour hot water into a bowl and place it at the front of the carrier, ensuring the kitten cannot reach or touch the bowl. Then fold the towel over the bowl and let the kitten comfortably bask in the warm, soothing steam for 15 to 20 minutes. You want the interior of the carrier to feel like a steamy bathroom, but never too hot, so check the kitten regularly to make sure it is safe and comfortable. The warmth and moisture help thin the mucus, making it easier for the kitten to breathe and even sneeze it out naturally. Steam therapy is gentle, safe, and usually very effective for mild congestion caused by colds, dry environments, or minor nasal irritations. Plain saline drops are another safe and effective way to clear a kitten's nose. They help loosen mucus and clear nasal passages, making it easier for kittens to breathe comfortably. A saline solution can be made at home by dissolving a very small pinch of salt in warm water. Drip some of the saline into a clean container, then take a clean cotton swab and soak it in the saline solution. Gently tilt the kitten's head back and squeeze or dab a small amount of saline into one nostril. Using a Q-tip helps prevent applying too much saline or getting it into the kitten's mouth. After a few moments, any discharge can be gently wiped away with a soft tissue or cloth. This method should always be done carefully, as kittens have delicate nasal passages, and sudden movements can easily stress them. A nebulizer treatment can help a sneezy kitten breathe more easily by delivering a fine mist of medication or saline directly into the lungs and nasal passages. This gentle therapy helps loosen mucus, reduce congestion, and soothe irritated airways. Place the kitten in a small enclosed space, such as a carrier covered with a towel, while the nebulizer runs nearby. Always use vet-prescribed solutions or plain saline, never human medications. Treatments usually last about 10 to 15 minutes and can be repeated as directed by your veterinarian. With regular care, nebulizer therapy can greatly ease sneezing, congestion, and breathing discomfort in kittens. Nose Relief Sinus Supplement may help support nasal and sinus health in kittens, providing gentle relief from symptoms like a runny nose, watery eyes, sneezing, and congestion. This natural, homeopathic formula is designed to help clear blocked nasal passages and support overall respiratory comfort. Made with safe, carefully selected ingredients, it has no known side effects and is suitable for regular use in young kittens. The liquid supplement is well tolerated by cats of all ages, making it a safe option from playful kittens to senior cats. It offers high-quality, natural remedies to help kittens breathe easier and stay comfortable. Hydration is critical in helping kittens recover from nasal congestion. Drinking plenty of water helps thin mucus and keeps the respiratory system functioning properly. Wet food is especially helpful because it adds moisture to the diet and encourages kittens to eat even if their noses are stuffy. Keeping water fresh and easily accessible encourages regular drinking, which aids in recovery. Cleaning the nose is also important if discharge dries around the nostrils. A warm, damp cloth can be used to gently wipe away any dried mucus. Regular, gentle cleaning helps prevent further discomfort and infection. The environment plays a significant role in easing nasal congestion. A clean, humid living area reduces irritation and helps kittens breathe more comfortably. Avoid exposure to cigarette smoke, strong perfumes, and dusty spaces. Fresh, soft bedding that is cleaned regularly also helps prevent the spread of germs and reduces discomfort from nasal congestion. Even with home care, it is important to recognize when veterinary help is necessary. If a kitten shows signs of severe illness such as laboured breathing, green or yellow nasal discharge, fever, or refusal to eat or drink, professional care is required. Kittens have weaker immune systems, and infections can progress quickly without treatment. Veterinarians can provide medications or supportive care that are safe and effective for young kittens. By understanding the causes, keeping your kitten hydrated, and maintaining a clean, humid environment, you can help them breathe easily and stay healthy and happy.